Uwaina ki master chef ni unongshet ba pawnam ha sorba New York USA udei ubalahe alasan ha Shillong kata Hamokher Mission Compound. Ya katei uti unongshet ulai thu habakren chekilat pathai khubor ha ka jingwan jong u Shillong bani shimmenta ha ka program balapan long da ka NPP Shillong not. Chef Tensing Sering ulas dang man pawnam hadin bolayo ban Korea ka takmak siar lanika gold medalist ha ka jingi kop shet ka balatip kum ka golden hand center chef kabalawan ban shimmenta da kinong shet ba pawnam na kinyo fu art likiri jong ka parthai kabalalong ha Moscow house nem khatkhnai pa kendai pupra. Menta kumud khot jongka American Culinary Federation New York USA but jongka World Association of Chef Societies utei urang ba ulapan kan mauru yalade kumno kum usamla ba pendep ya ka commerce na St Anthony's College Shillong ula no ya ka kam nonghikai mathematics ha Karnataka badru ya ka kam accountant ha Nepal ban letre ya ka kam ka bo trang nadu kaman sim.
The journey to Shillong, I will say the journey from Shillong to New York, because from New York to Shillong, it's a different journey. I start my journey from Shillong to New York. So it's a very complicated journey, but I didn't give up. So whenever it's a motivation, I want to tell the younger generation not to give up. Just stick on your focus, whatever you want to do, your destiny. Just gain it. There's a saying that grab for the sun, and if you can't grab the sun, you'll get the stars. So that's the proverb, which is very inspiring to the younger generation. I always say that don't give up. Stick on your destiny. That's the main point. Because our Khasi, we definitely try to achieve our destiny, but in the middle of the way they give up. The reason why they give up is they lose their hope. So don't lose your hope. Go for it. You'll get it. Definitely. If I can get it, you can get it too. Okay. I start my journey as a dishwasher. And right now I'm an executive chef. I'm a master chef. I did my course in Ayurvedic practitioner. I did a naturopathies. I did a chiropractic. So these are the only things which I have achieved by myself. So you can do it too. I request all our Kasi brothers and sisters, please don't give up and never give up till you achieve your achievements. I was born and brought up in Shillong, Hamokher Mission Compound. I started my studies from Dehradun, then I came back to Shillong. I was in St. Anthony's. So my subject was in commerce. So I did my studies from St. Anthony's, then I went to Karnataka as a teacher, maths teacher for 2 years. Then I joined industrial in Nepal for 2 years as an accountant. But my destiny was different, I think. My destiny wanted to throw me in a kitchen. So that's how it became everything. So I started my journey from a dhaba, which is in the national highway from Guwahati to Shillong. There's a one Punjabi dhaba. I start from there as a dishwasher. I never thought of becoming an executive chef or reaching at this post. But in 1998, when I joined the competition at Moscow, which was organized by the Moscow government. From 72 countries, I also participated there. So I was the only one who bagged the gold medal. Then I changed my mind. I said, okay, now this is my destiny. So then and there, I chose my destiny, professional as a chef. When I was in hostel, I used to help the chef who used to cook for us. While back in Shillong, I used to help my mom to run her restaurant. I used to help her to do some little small works in kitchen. So then and there how I got interested in cooking. But I didn't took as a professional. I took professional since I received my gold medal. From there I started professional. It's India. I work in Taj Mansingh. I work in Ashok Mayur. Then I went to Moscow. I was there for 3 years. Then I went to Kalmyk. It's a federation of Russia. Then I went to Siberia. Then I was in Paris, France. And last, it's in New York now. So these are the few countries I worked for. Yeah, look, every chef has his own brand. And every chef has his own kind of cooking. Whenever I give any interview, I hope if I give this interview to you, some of the chefs may get white to me. But I say in this world there are two chefs. One who makes money, and another one who thinks for the people's health. So there are two types of chefs. So in my opinion, I go after the health, not for the money, because the health is most important. Money you can make it, but the money which you earn from that negative way, it won't last for a long period. Come first nikong plat mashit ki mayor Moscow, Yuri Lushkov. Something different from the Russian shit. Tagdo ngale jado di dokle igdai. So when I present him, I'm from northeast from Meghalaya, state, the wettest place on earth. Nadin unmat pat wow, so delicious. No, in Kitinjong Russian. Then and then I feel okay, I can explore my northeast food too. So sometimes I put my menu in restaurant like Jado, the Jam, Dokle. I used to put those things and giving name from the northeast states. So to promote our northeast, even sometime, because when we have festivals, every time we can't do it, but when we have festivals, I promote our classic foods. Kingi si ki result like in a just in a click, no. But don't kinshim ki bin poi haka rang junga. But they need to do hard work, very hard work. They need to tolerate. But our Khasi, they can tolerate for a longer period, no. Because when I was in Shillong, in St. Anthony's, you don't pun perlok ki lang, but they don't have tolerance. And look at them now, some of them are expired because of drinks and all. So it's so sad to hear when they are well educated. Katagadaw kwa ban pin journal kinigi addiction through my knowledge, through Ayurvedic, through herbal. Malay school ki bun ki kana pamta shim drugs. So that's so sad. Mo you believe who did these things, who is behind them. We need to know. We are spoiling our life, younger generation. If younger generations are gone, then who is going to rule our states? So that's a very big purpose. They've been very cautious about it. It's not for one person, it's not for committee, it's for the whole state. So borrowing in Kaptirelang finish these drugs. To become a executive chef, you need everything knowledge. Every knowledge, Indian, Chinese, continental, Thai, Japanese, Mexican, bakery. So to reach that post, you have to go through every corners of the world. Then and there you will become an executive. Then you will become a master chef. Master chef is just a given name. So the last position for the chef is executive chef. If given a preference compared to the healthiness, I'll go for the Japanese food. It's very healthy, In India, you use lots of oils, lots of spices. You don't know which oil they are using it. So in Chinese, they use lots of MSG, lots of sauces, oyster sauce, which is not consumable by the person who are allergic to seafood. So they didn't know, they use it purposely to give the flavor. So I think the best, I don't say the best, but compared to the health, it's Japanese food. It's a very old Indian Vedic herbal medicine studies, So we haven't used this for a very long period because allopathic took it. So now the people of Western countries, they come to India and learn Ayurveda, the natural way of curing your disease. So it's very good for health because we don't have any negative points from that while consuming herbs. Suppose if you take allopathic, I'll give you a small example like Brufen, which is a painkiller. When you consume a Brufen, you feel like, okay, you have released from your pain, but it doesn't work that way. It numbs your brain, that's why the sensation of pain goes away. And the negative point, the side effect of the Brufen, there are lots of side effects when you use painkillers. So these are the difference between the herbal and the allopathic.
People want
Yes, in New York, from 10 to 3, morning 10 to 3, I open a clinic, but I do it's a social work for everyone. It's free for everyone. So whoever comes for treatment, I give it free without any charge. Even since I came to Shillong, I have lots of patients like Dora, and some. So whoever there are who wants to do alignment, contact and some or Dora or Kong Dora, then let me know. I'll do it freely to everyone.
okay.